your left, to your right, your teammate, Buddy Mayhem. Those are the people that's going to help you through this course. I know you want to get individual talent and you're going to get hurt.
David!
You need P-Man, the
David!
That's how we do it here. Now real quick, let's check and make sure we got all our equipment locked up. I want you to look down at your shoes. You got your shoes tied up tight. You got them all taped up. Because you will lose your clothes on this course. So this outside of my hot naked butters. I love it. You got your clothes locked up. Give me a quick hoorah. Excellent. You just have a number on your head, on your arm, on your leg. You got your number. Give me a quick hoorah. Excellent, folks. Now pay attention. You got great energy. You'll probably catch up with some of these people out there previously on the course. Should you come across anybody laying first face down in the dirt, they're not breathing, the game's over for them. They need your help. The way we help people here is we signal our first aid people. You put your arms above your knees and cross them like that. Everybody do that for me right now. Excellent. So should you come across anybody on this course lying face down with a rattler attached to their neck, how do you help them? That's right. You don't have to suck the blood out. No sucking blood. Yes, because depending on where your friend got bit, that's going to test the friendship. Yeah. Now listen up, people. More importantly, be smart out here. This is as much a test of your mind as it is your body and soul. So